been drawing, that's a photo of what my tyres are. So I've drawn one and I printed it earlier, but I'm just modifying it because it's not quite right. I thought I sort of half drew it without the writing and stuff, and I've printed it just to get an idea of the shape. But let me show you what I'm doing. Let's see that. What you do is you draw. I've drawn like the tread. Just like it's sort of, I've simplified it because obviously it's a toy. So I've drawn that, and then you go here. Watch, you hit this one, and you select that, and then you enter, center. I've got 28 times around. We'll make it what I'm making. Return, done. Look at that. Yeah, look, that's what I've drawn. So I've sort of chunked it up a little bit from what I've already printed. It's slightly chunkier, slightly less treads, which spaces them out a bit more, make it a bit chunkier. But yeah, look, that's one on the van. I've had to like do this sort of angled sidewall because my tyres are quite stretched because my wheels are too wide for them, so they're stretched. So they've got this angled sidewall, which is what my ones are like. But yeah, I'm just trying to perfect it and get it like my ones are, but simplified because it's obviously everything's a bit chunkier, a bit more toy-like. There you go. Look. So I'll reprint now. I'll get the writing on. I've got to do the white writing around the sidewall and stuff. But yeah, they're going to be cool, I think. So I've been messing around with the tyres for my little van model. There it is. 3D printing them, getting the shape right and stuff. And then I've got hold of some rubber, resin. So it's basically rubber for the printer, 3D printer. And on the actual packaging for it, it's got a photo of little toy tyres, so it's made for this. It's annoying because it is quite hard. Look, it is rubber, but it's a bit harder really. It doesn't really feel that rubbery, but it is cool. It does look better. And I shot blasted it with like a soda blaster, so it looks more rubbery because it was a bit. Look, it looks a bit black and shiny, which is a bit similar to the wheels will be. So that looks more like a tyre, doesn't it? And then yeah, just need to paint the white on. And then it should look pretty cool, I think. But yeah, that's it. Tyres are getting there. So yeah, because the letters are raised, it means it's actually not impossible to paint without making a mess. I'm trying to do it now on camera. It's loads of pressure. But yeah, I hate painting little tiny things. My stupid massive hands are too big. Well, I think they are. But yeah, look, you can sort of just go over the top of it like that, and you can get quite a good result. Look, there's one that's done. Blue Peter style, yeah. And also, look, double reading glasses so I can see nice and crisp when I'm doing this sort of thing. So yeah, so that looks sick, doesn't it? I think. In them, sprayed the wheels. Look, that looks sweet. Yeah, so that's the original wheel off this die-cast van. And when you pop this tyre off, try and do it with one hand. It's hard. Oh, when you put that tyre off, you end up with that. Has that weird bit around it. So what I've done is I've sanded that off on my little Parkside disc sander. Again, another shout for Parkside, Lidl, sick. And then my wheels are designed like this, and this drops in the back, just goes in there like that. And because that's the original hub of the original model, it fits the hub on the suspension. I've just mocked this up with sellotape, with tape and stuff. But yeah, look, let me prop that there. I should be able to sort of see how it will look. Look at that. It's well good. Yeah, buzzing. Loads to do, obviously. Just wanted to get the wheels done because they're a bit of a hero of the model, aren't they? I think, and the van. But yeah, love is blind. Get on it. Sweet.